Would you rather look at charts and graphs or a massive spreadsheet? Everyone will agree that data presented in a graph or chart is easier to understand. Nobody wants to read your intricate spreadsheets before they grasp your data. So, why not learn to use PowerPoint to make charts and graphs? In this video, I will demonstrate how to make charts and graphs in PowerPoint and provide design advice. So, let's get started. Here's how to make a graph and a chart in PowerPoint. Go to the Insert tab, then select Chart. A pop-up window will show, then select Chart. Choose your preferred chart type in the pop-up window. After you pick your desired chart, then click OK. Adding data in your graph and chart. First, click the chart that you want to put data. After that, go to the Ribbon tab, then select Chart Design. Second, select Edit Data to open the Excel file. After that, you can now edit the chart data or insert new columns and rows depending on your needs. Click Enter to confirm the changes on your PowerPoint slide. Every one of us want our graph and chart stand out. Here are some tips that will help you design better charts in the future. Try different chart types. PowerPoint includes a variety of charts for data visualization, and you should explore as much as possible. You must ensure that your chosen chart type is appropriate for your data and easy to read. Line charts, for example, show change over time, whereas column charts are good for comparisons. Though more complicated charts exist, simpler options such as bar charts, line charts, and pie charts can be used. Organize your data. Before you begin working on your charts in PowerPoint, make sure your data is well organized. Although the procedure is demanding and time-consuming, it will prepare you for success. Simplify and declutter your chart. Make vital information more prominent and remove unnecessary elements such as grid lines to improve the readability of your chart. Make a strong contrast between your data and the background elements. It would also be beneficial to divide complex charts into smaller ones. Take colors seriously. When making charts and graphs, use caution with colors. Gray, for example, is the best color for making grid lines and axis labels less noticeable. Data is highlighted using brighter colors. However, it would be beneficial if you limited your chart to a maximum of 5 colors. Finish in style. After all of your hard work, you should do your best to finish your charts in style. The title of your chart should offer your audience a sense of what it will depict. Keep things as simple as possible. Avoid using more than 2 charts on a single presentation to avoid overloading your audience with information. If you need something quickly, you can download our chart infographics. Our graphs and charts are entirely customizable and professionally made. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Also, check out our other videos for more great content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.